Hi everybody, I'll wait a few minutes while people jump on. Hopefully you guys have a good day. In Minnesota right now it's currently really beautiful out. Thinking about going to the food truck in Anoka. We'll see if it's fun or not. Never been there, so we'll see. And then otherwise nothing really planned for the weekend. Hopefully you guys had some better plans than I do, besides doing homework and going to celebrate my husband's birthday tomorrow. Otherwise nothing really going on. Today I'm here to talk to you about the new product of Unique, which I heard a lot of great things about, but I officially got it yesterday, so I figured I'd show you guys. It's the Unique Epic Mascara, which is only one layer. It's one step, easy. I always feel so weird doing my mascara because you always think you're doing like a weird face or something. There was a video I watched the other day on YouTube about people's faces when they do mascara. Some people make the wide eye face, some people bite their lips, some people are not able to keep their eyelashes still, so you see them constantly blinking. If I find the video, I'll post it. I thought it was just funny. And I'll be posting a picture of my before lashes before I test the new lash serum, and then in a couple weeks, once I see more results, I'll post a video about what I think about the product and the final results. And what's nice about this new mascara, I'm finding out right now that you don't have to worry about the fibers. You just put the mascara on and you get the results. So this is what it's going to look like right now. Here's my normal eye, and here's the mascara in my eye. I don't know if I have to go in a darker place where you could maybe see better. Try. And I'll post a picture too. I'm really impressed with this product. But here's a picture of my before, and here's a picture of my after. So I'm liking the results because it's giving my lashes the length, and it looks like the volume too. And I only put a couple coats on, which is awesome because I don't have to worry about fibers if I don't want to, unless I'm going out. So if you have any questions about the new mascara, let me know. It'll be available August 1st to everybody. It's currently available to only presenters, but I'll be taking pre-orders right now if you want it. The mascara is only $24, which is a great deal considering what it does for your eyelashes. And I'll tell you about the serum once I try it out. Have a wonderful day, and I hope you guys have a wonderful weekend. Bye.